Hello YouTubers and SSG followers and other followers. So thank God we here the end of the 20 charging procedure, and I'm show you the result of my charging procedure number 20, the end of the procedure 20. So let me quick show you what happens. So as obvious thing, you see the voltage of my primary battery. You see it has decreased. So by any means necessary, it's not another unity system, because on the side where I have my primary battery, I have the voltage decrease, and this is a 11.64. But on the other side, and my wheel is still running. On the other side, I have fully charged battery, 12.89 volts. You see, same capacity, same manufacturer, 12 volt, 5 amp hour battery, fully charged. But I lost some energy here because voltage decrease, 11.64. But as result of the working of my system and the wheel, of movement of the wheel, I get fully charged battery. So this is how it should be, and this is what you should expect from getting the results from the charging procedure. So, and I conclude you can charge the battery with a rapid, very high powerful voltage impulses, short high power voltage impulses, which are going to the charging battery. And this is the result, fully charged battery, and I'm pretty happy about this. And I should conclude that this can be only possible if you not use sealed lead acid batteries. Why? It is simple. Sealed lead acid batteries like this, at some point they stop to work as you expect, because the water molecule vaporized from time to time, because if you want to achieve some result with this type of the technology, with this one transistor system, you need to charge from the beginning and then discharge the battery, then again charge, then again discharge. And you should do this like 20 times. And do not even try to charge your charging battery with some different conventional current. This will only make your results worse. So do as I say, and do as beginning say. Charge the battery to some level. Observe the voltage of the primary battery. Do not allow voltage decrease to 11 volts on the primary side, because if you discharge your primary battery to the 11 volts, you will actually damage your primary battery and you won't get the expected amount of work amps from your primary battery. So just do as I tell you. Charge your battery from the beginning circuit 1 time, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 28 times, and then discharge the battery each time. After each charging procedure, discharge the battery, and it shouldn't be 20 hours. It is expected to discharge your battery in 20 hours, but sometimes you need to discharge the battery up to 11 volts, and that's it. It can be at first 6 hours, 5 hours, 7 hours, but then later it will behave better. Then you will get longer discharge period. And just for example, in the beginning I charged my battery to some of the voltage. It was like first 12 volts, and then I discharged my battery to 11.65, and then once again I charged my battery from the beginning, but this is what I'm just bubbling through. Important thing we should observe. I disconnect one of the connections from the circuitry, and immediately this bulbs starting light on. You see how the bulbs are lighting on, and the voltage decrease on this happens. You see 1282. Then I reconnect my battery, and then my battery will start to charge like this. So, but battery do not behave in such type of manner at the first charging procedure. You need to take you need to try at least 13 charging procedures. And once again, I mean, do not even try to charge your charging battery by the conventional means when you're doing such experiments. If you charge one battery, charge the battery always by the SSG circuit, or the battery charge always by the conventional means. And if you have solar panel, what the heck, try to charge primary battery with a solar panel. It can be only best for this type of research. But for me, for my current situation, I conclude following. The experiment show us, observers, experimenters, that you can actually charge your battery with a radiant type impulses. The battery need time to take these impulses, to actually, the battery cells need time to, how to should point this, to looking for appropriate English word. The battery need time to observe these voltages, to sorry guys, I'm not English speaking native person. The battery need time to eat this short high radiant spikes voltages, and then what happens at one point, the ions in the battery start moving because they got enough potential. And when this moving of the ions happens, then you start to observe the actual charging of your battery. And then this happens only when you get a lot of high radiant spikes, I mean high voltage impulses for the short time of period. And then you get such result. So what do you need more? And I conclude this is a very good result, and I'm looking forward into the future to actually building another type of the Bedini system with even more better characteristics. But I should put on record, this is not an over unity system. Two reasons. First reason, decrease of my primary battery voltage. Second reason, I do not put any additional power back to my primary battery, so this is not an over unity system, and this is on the record. But you can charge another type of battery if you use such batteries where you can put distilled water, and if you properly charge and discharge the battery. And by properly discharge, I mean do not discharge your battery below 11 volts. You will only damage your battery. And another thing which I should put on record, you cannot calculate the effectiveness of the system because it depends from these impulses which you get. And actual result is in the battery. I mean, now you see the voltage, and many people say this voltage does not show anything. And I can only agree with you. I need to put this battery at work, and if I get through the work 5 amp hours from this battery, then I can claim some stuff. So I will try, I do not promise this, but I will try to show how I discharge the battery when this type of the charging is done. And this will be like next video. But anyway, you can charge your battery by the radiant type impulses. It just take longer time. But if you have more than one transistor, you should expect even more powerful charge for the shorter time. And this only depends on amount of impulses which you provide to your battery, which you send to your battery. And then at some point your battery start to charge to this type of level. So do think about this, like long period charging procedures, very strict discharging procedures, and then you will get such results. So this is all. This is all from me. Thank you for watching, and hope you to see you in my next video. Bye bye.